Day 10, guys. I'm so excited. We only have 2 days left. Today's video will be about creating a gift that is fast, quick, and fun. These gifts can be for a Christmas play, for example, and once the play is over, all the parents can take home a goodie bag for themselves or their child. So again, these are inexpensive as well as quick and fun. We can make it under 2 minutes and it costs under $3. So let's go ahead and start. Our first item will be a box of Ooze Chews warheads, and they are sour. This box is about 3.5 ounces. And our second item will be a pizza gummy. These pizza gummies are so delicious. I cannot wait for anyone to try them. So let's go ahead and stack these bags real quick. And guys, we are just 2 days out from the giveaway, so I hope you've been watching since day 1, video 1. Now here are the yummy pizzas I was talking about. These are so good. Trust me, you must try them. Once these are all filled, we are going to tie them off with our green, yellow, and red ribbon. And of course, we are going to curl it to give it that extra cute look. Now ultimately, the ribbon is there to add the extra Christmas sparkle to the gift, but this also will help the contents to stay in and not fall out. I am so excited for the next 2 days. Day 11 and 12 will have some amazing creations. Stay tuned, and especially if you want to be the winner of the giveaways.